Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling the phone's NFC hardware and preparing a payment app. Open Settings, go to Connected Devices, then Connection Preferences, and toggle NFC on. Once enabled, install and open Google Wallet or your bank's NFC app, then add a card and complete the bank's verification. You're doing this so the phone can emulate a contactless card. Once the card is verified, make sure the wallet is set as your default Tap and Pay app in the same Connection Preferences menu. Now you learn how to make a successful tap. Wake and unlock the phone. Many terminals require an unlocked device. Then place the rear center of the Edge 50 Pro against the reader. The NFC antenna lies near the middle of the back, so alignment matters. Hold steady for 1 to 2 seconds until you see the payment confirmation. If the terminal requests authentication, approve via PIN, fingerprint, or face unlock. Once done, the screen will show transaction success, and the terminal will print a receipt. Finish by validating the setup with a low-value purchase or transit gate so you can confirm behavior without risk. If a tap fails, first remove any metal or magnetic case and try again, then restart the phone and toggle NFC off and back on. These quick steps resolve most hardware lock issues. If problems persist, clear the wallet app cache, update the app and system software, and re-add the card as a last resort. This sequence fixes most common NFC issues on the Edge 50 Pro.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.